Yeah. Ska mai kaile fa kai kaila fai pang popo. Ma fa.
Focus.
Yeah, fa vari.
Focus. Ya gali.
Yeah, mala, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Wait, video. No.
Walter, breakthrough. We found this in Papa Crew. What is it? It's Miles Finch's notebook. The thing with Charles Finch's genius idea. Look at that.
I'm playing special here. Y'all gonna go crazy.
I love how I can just watch my car. Dang, they're not gonna let you live. Wow! Get it.
Simon says, put your hands on your hips. Go! Go grab the cup. So now you. Simon says, shake your butt. Simon says, twerk.
Favorite movie? It plays music. Indiana Jones.
No. The guys that are piano.
Rock.
You can do that.
That's right.
Oh my God!
Pass. Go up. Flip it up again. No, don't go like this. Just flip it. Yeah, there you go.
Why is it going?
Just go down.
Oh, okay. It's a movie with the Fester Wednesday, Wednesday, and
What's
the
the name
mom
of the
with the
movie?
long
It's birthday
hair.
cake.
No.
Happy in
The apple.
Oh, yeah.
Now you're
Okay.
Birthday cake.
Oh, it's a scary movie.
You get these on your arms.
The bride. Go down. Oh, it's
Next
Happy
favorite
Nuts.
with the braids.
Yeah,
the
what's her
girl
name?
in
She
the
always
white
goes-
guy.
It's a robot. Now, oh, big girl six.
Oh, Baymax, you should have said mine.
Sorry,
No,
we
wasn't
forgot.
Baymax.
How many points though?
Good job, bro. All right, who wants to hold the phone?
He's a
There,
comedian.
go get it. Okay, Father of the Bride. Down. Okay, your favorite movie with the big girls. Charlie's Angels. Down. Okay, this animal cartoon, Oogway. Master Oogway, Master Shifu. Kung Fu Panda. Down. Okay, up more.
Up. That's a good turn.
Okay, up more. Okay, no. Okay. Okay, stop. Halloween movie, classic cult.
Yes.
Jason. No.
What was that?
This one. That's what they do.
Trey, but you have to do a little more.
Okay, Alicia,
How did you get Black Panther?
It's all about speed. Who can say it faster?
Okay, go.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Simon says or just clap?
This is clap when I clap.
Just follow what
ready?
you say.
Okay. We're looking inside.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pass.
Big light bulb.
Yeah.
What?
We all saw that light bulb.
The new game. Let's go, buddy. Trey, get some money in there. Try harder. Look at all that.
I just watched it. I know it came out. I think Trey went with the men.
Put your hands on your waist.
Red light.
Spin. Put your hands on your ears.
Red light.
Put your hands on your nose.
And some people
Close your
are
eyes.
following directions, bro.
Simon said, didn't say nothing.
Simon says bend down. Simon says shake your butt. Simon says twerk. Twerk. Alright. Simon says go!
That was all eyes closed. That was all eyes closed. No, I did that without even looking. I shit. I should look.
Alright, bring up whoever's got the cup. Alright, you two gotta verse each other.
He's fast.
Now you got
You can do it.
When I clap.
Is this how it says or just clap?
This is clap when I clap.
Just follow what
ready?
you say.
Okay. Go!
Got me in a clapping spell. She knew my weakness.
Yay! Oh. Oh. Give us her. I mean, give her one.
Oh,
Tommy Pickles.
oh, next one. His standards are low.
Soda? Soda?
You just throw it to me. Just throw it.
Any more soda left?
Oh.
I did Raphael.
And number one is the winner. And the winner is
Why did you pick that?
Lynette. Yes, yes, yes.
I can really see the windows.
All right. Oh, detail, detail, detail. Oh! Somebody,
They're all colorful, but
somebody need Jesus.
Okay, Grandma, guess.
This.
Grandma, now guess who made those, okay?
Wow, this is the winner right here. According to Rose, it's got a window, colorful. That is Miss Lynette. And number 2, Alicia. Number 4. Number 3. 5 and 6. There you go, ladies. Good job. Good job. Wow. 2.
It's not what's on the outside of the camera.
So it's between this one and that one. That one or that
Trey
one?
said, think which one would you live in? That's what Trey said.
It don't matter no more.
All right. One has to win.
Now she's ready. Go.
Let's
let me
go.
go to the worst first, okay?
Wow.
All right.
I would say this is the worst.
All right. Number 6. All right.
Number 6.
Number 5. Where's number 5? Number 5.
Number 5. 6. Okay.
Who's the
Number
second word?
6.
So that's 6.
All right.
5.
Wow, this
Second
is
worst.
all beautiful.
Second worst, bro.
5.
Don't you?
5. All right. All right. 4. 4. Don't make noise. That's 5. 4. Number 4. Move on. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4.
Wow.
All right. What is this?
Marshmallow house.
Wild marshmallow. What is this?
Church.
Church.
Catacomb.
All right.
Whoville house.
Normal house.
Orphanage.
And this one?
It broke down.
Oh, good job, guys. Very nice, hardworking. Finally, finished product.
Wow.
Wow, wow, look at that. And the winner is...
Wait, Rose has to. Her voting. She has to count.
Okay, Sleeping Beauty, do your job.
I'm standing here outside Central Park where it is unclear exactly what has happened. What we do know is
Some hardworking elves.
the only thing that people can agree on
Working hard or hardly working?
Hardly trying.
Okay.
Go, Mr. Elf.
I'm standing here outside Central Park where it is unclear exactly what has happened. What we do know is that
Some hard-working elves.
the process of clearing it. The only thing that people can agree on
Working hard or hardly working?
Hardly trying.
Okay. Ya me se cena lá. Se cangulo ela. Coming along. Stage 2.
It's fun.
It's on. This team right here. This team right here. And this team right here.
We're gonna make the best house. Gotta learn how to open it. Oh, you use scissors.
Disaster. My poor. Ay. We'll see. It's on. Stage one. Gonna do your foundation.
Are you naughty or nice for real? Are you naughty or nice? Yeah. Are you naughty or nice for real? I just gotta know if you're naughty or nice. Checking my list.
Dancing in the dark.
Let's go. Asteroid of fear. I'ma make you pump like that. 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 Make you pump like that.